Now, does Apple Watch make you use your phone less, or does it make you not use your phone? This is most certainly an interesting question and topic because a lot of people expect to get the Apple Watch and stop using their phone, but it really depends on many different things, right? So it first comes down to the type of Apple Watch. If you have the cellular Apple Watch with an eSIM installed on it, then it's going to be much more likely that you will stop using your phone because you can do a bunch of stuff standalone with just the Apple Watch. Now, if I wanted to make a phone call, then it is possible even on this Apple Watch, which is not cellular, but only if I'm close enough or when I have my iPhone nearby. So this Apple Watch can make a phone call as an extension of my iPhone, right? So it works, but only when I have it in here. Whereas the cellular obviously can make it work even without the iPhone, right? So that's the first distinction. The second thing to know about is that the Apple Watch is likely going to be used in your case or in case of many other people as the notifications on your wrist type of device. So chances are that you're still going to carry your phone around, but when you do receive a notification, you're going to read it on your watch and don't have to take the phone out of the pocket or not even look at it. So this is how it works in a lot of people, and that's really cool about it. The other thing is quick replies and some things when you get like a notification, you can quickly reply with a emoji or react to a message. So for that, it is a good idea to use the Apple Watch because you don't need to use your phone with that. Also, there is the fitness and health tracking. This essentially renders your iPhone useless as the Apple Watch is on your wrist. It tracks your heart rate and everything, and you can use it to track all of the rings right here. And in this regard, I don't even use my iPhone at all. I can just manage everything from my Apple Watch. Then there is the music media and control. Let's say I'm just using my AirPods. I have them in the ear. I don't have to take the phone out of the pocket to like pause the music or forward and stuff. So that's pretty useful as well. And there are some other things like, perhaps Apple Pay is also cool because you can pay with your wrist instead of your iPhone. But, it's getting a little less useful as we go into the next features. Then obviously you're not going to browse social media on it as it's not possible. You want to be looking at photos. You want to write emails with it most likely. So it still doesn't replace your iPhone, right? So if the first examples are kind of important to you or you do this a lot, then the Apple Watch can in fact make you use your phone less. But for any of these things right here, like Gmail, social media, reading books, like getting apps and tracking stuff, it's likely that you'll still need to use your phone. I mean, you can still check the weather, use the calculator on your wrist. So it really depends on what you want to do, but the most or like more intense things can only be done through an iPhone. So I'm not going to drag out the video any longer. The answer depends on you as a person, but it can most certainly make you use your phone less. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe and stay part of this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. I'll see you later in the next one.